Lithuania. Officially the Republic of Lithuania. It is one of 3 Baltic states and lies on the eastern shore of the Baltic Sea. Lithuania covers an area of 65,300 square kilometers with a population of 2.8 million. Its capital and largest city is Vilnius. Administratively, the territory of Lithuania is divided into 10 counties, all named after their capitals, which are Alytus County with a population of 142,000 people, Vilnius County with a population of 910,000 people, Marijampolė County with a population of 135,000 people, Kaunas County with a population of 623,000 people, Tauragė County with a population of 92,000 people, Klaipėda County with a population of 320,000 people, Utena County with a population of 131,000 people, Telšiai County with a population of 130,000 people, Šiauliai County with a population of 261,000 people, and Panevėžys County with a population of 211,000 people. Lithuania shares land borders with Latvia to the north, Belarus to the east and south, Poland to the south, and a Russian semi-exclave Kaliningrad to the west. It also has a maritime border with Sweden to the west on the Baltic Sea. The gross domestic products in Lithuania was worth $67.1 billion in 2023, with $26,837 in GDP per capita. This number makes Lithuania one of the wealthiest among post-Soviet republics. The official language of Lithuania is the Lithuanian language. It is an Eastern Baltic language belonging to the Baltic branch of the Indo-European language family. There are about 3.1 million native Lithuanian speakers in Lithuania and abroad. According to the 2021 census, 72% of residents of Lithuania were Catholics and 4% of the population are Eastern Orthodox, mainly among the Russian minority. Despite being one of the post-Soviet republics, Lithuania is an EU and NATO member since 2004.